So this is a very good news for people living in Noida Expressway. The center has just approved a 2,254 crore rupees 12-kilometer Noida Metro Aqualine extension. So basically this will cut the travel time from sector 142 to Botanical Garden from 40 minutes to 15 minutes now. The goal is to start this by 2030 and it will initially serve 80,000 daily passengers. So what is the current way if somebody is in Noida Expressway and they want to reach South Delhi, Central Delhi or anywhere else? So right now they have to take Aqua Line at 142 and they must travel backward to sector 51. From there they get down and they walk that ugly minute, very traffic, very congested 9-minute road. Ideally, there should have been some indoor connection, but there isn't. They have to do all this just to reach the blue line and from there they can go anywhere. Now the new line directly from sector 142 and directly to Botanical Garden metro station is just going to be 15 minutes. This will eliminate so much inefficiency and save so much time for all of us. This line is also going to have 8 elevated stations, which will overall improve the connectivity of Noida Expressway and ease traffic congestion, especially during the rush hours. It's horrible. And further, the Botanical Garden metro station will become a 3-line interchange. There will be Aqua Line, the Blue Line and the Magento Line all coming in together. This project is going to be executed by Noida Metro Rail Corporation. Okay, now what is going to be the impact on real estate? The rental yields and property prices in sector 93, 137 and 142 could rise as much as 15%. This will make Noida, Greater Noida a prime residential choice with 25-30 minute commutes to Central and South Delhi. This project strengthens the expressway as a premium growth corridor strategically located between Central Delhi and the upcoming Noida International Airport. One last detail that I missed out, this is going to include 8 new stations. The stations will be Botanical Garden, of course, interchange, Sector 44, Sector 96, Sector 97, Sector 105, Sector 108, Sector 93 and Sector 91. If you're somebody today who has to take that very ugly 9-minute walk to change the line from Aqua to Blue Line, let us know in the comment how do you feel about this and would this be a very big relief for you? I'm assuming a yes.